5 Human Facts. Open with intrigue. Ever wonder about the marvel that is the human body? Arouse curiosity. It's a complex machine with astonishing traits. Present fact 1. For instance, your brain generates enough energy to power a light bulb. 5 Human Facts. Dive into the fascinating world of human facts. Our brain is the most energy-consuming organ, using 20% of our calories. Next, did you know humans are bioluminescent? Yes, we glow, but it's 1,000 times weaker than our naked eye can perceive. Our bodies are regenerative powerhouses. The human liver can completely regrow in just 24 days. Ever wondered about your genetic uniqueness? 99.9% of our DNA is identical. It's that 0.1% that makes us unique.